Bank foreclosures and power of sale properties are two different processes for selling real estate. A bank foreclosure is when a lender takes back control of a property from a homeowner who has failed to make their mortgage payments. In this situation, the lender will go through the court system to gain ownership of the property and then put it up for sale in order to recoup its losses. Power of sale properties are also sold by lenders, but they do not have to go through the courts in order to take back possession of the home. Instead, when a homeowner is behind on their mortgage payments, they can receive notice that their lender has initiated a power of sale procedure, which allows them to sell the property without going through court proceedings. This means that buyers can purchase these types of properties more quickly, as there is less paperwork involved than with bank foreclosures. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.